We'll start by preparing our broomstick. Now I've cut this broomstick already to a little bit more than 3 feet. So anywhere 2.5 to 3 feet, depending upon the size of the child that you're going to be giving it to, or just, or whatever size you want to do. About 2.5 to 3 feet. We're going to mark 2 markings on the broomstick. And we're going to mark at 2 inches here. And then mark again at 6 inches here. And we're not going to cut it off here, we're just going to make a groove around the stick. So I'm going to saw a little and turn it, and saw a little and turn it. We just want to have a groove, and we're going to use this groove to attach the horse head to the stick. So I have a miter box here that I'll secure. It has a little plastic thing here to secure the stick in place. And then I'm just going to saw a little bit just to get a groove, maybe about 1/4 inch in, not so much. And then rotate it and continue this all the way around. Just a little bit of sawing and turn it. You might be able to do this also with a knife, a very sharp knife. You just want to get about 1/4 inch groove all the way around, and we're going to use that groove to tie the horse's head onto the stick. Okay, that's what that looks like. And now I'm going to do it again at 2 inches. The 2-inch one is to put a little padding on the end of the stick to give it so that it won't be hard inside the horse's head. It'll be a little safer. Okay, I'm going to groove also at 2 inches. You don't want to saw too far into the wood because it might cause it to break off. Okay, now that's ready. We'll set that aside until we finish making the horse head.